Hello everyone, welcome to Physics Pep Talk. In this video, let us derive an expression that is n2 by v minus n1 by u is equal to n2 minus n1 divided by r. This is also called as refraction at spherical surface. ಅದರಿಂದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು spherical surface ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. Here I have considered the spherical surface xy. P ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ pole ಅಂತ, ಮತ್ತೆ C ಅಂದ್ರೆ center of curvature. The distance between pole and center of curvature is radius of curvature, that is represented by the symbol r. It is now n1 anta enide, this is the refractive index of the rarer medium, and n2 represents the refractive index of the denser medium. Therefore I can write it is n2 is greater than n1 anta barkombodu. It is now I will consider a point object O on the principal axis, that is the line passing through the pole and center of curvature now principal axis anta karitivi. It is on that line I will consider the point object O. It is here ON is the incident ray which is making an angle I with the normal. Adhe tarah after it is incidenting on this spherical surface xy, it is refracted along ni and it is making an angle r, that is angle of refraction with the normal. Here I is the image of the object O. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು ni ಮತ್ತೆ the ray passing through the principal axis meet ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ the image formed at I is real image ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇವಾಗ alpha, beta ಮತ್ತೆ gamma ಏನಿದೆ, these are the angles made by the incident ray, refracted ray and the normal with the principal axis respectively. ಹಾಗೆ OP ನಾವು object distance u ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ, I P ನ ನಾವು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ v ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದೇನು, ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ನೆಲ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತು. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಸ್ನೆಲ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೆರಿಕಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ xy. ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, n1 sin i is equal to n2 sin r ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸ್ನೆಲ್ಸ್ ಲಾ. Since I and r are very small, we can approximate sin i is equal to I and sin r is equal to r anta ತಗೊಬಹುದು. Therefore I can write n1 I is equal to n2 r ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಬಹುದು. Let me call this as equation number 1. ಇವಾಗ I ಮತ್ತೆ r ನನಗೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ it is I will express I and r in terms of some other quantities. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಏನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ONC. ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ONC ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ I is the exterior angle which is equal to sum of the opposite interior angle. Here alpha and gamma becomes the opposite interior angle. ಅದರಿಂದ I is equal to alpha plus gamma ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊತೇನೆ. It is again from the triangle INC, I can write gamma, that is the exterior angle, that is equal to r plus beta ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಬಹುದು. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಏನಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಬಹುದು, r is equal to gamma minus beta ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಬಹುದು. Let me call this as equation 2 and let me call this as equation 3. ಅಗೈನ್ ನಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಬೀಟಾ ಗ್ಯಾಮಾ ಫೈನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಬೀಟಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮಾನ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ONM ಮತ್ತು CNM ಮತ್ತು INM ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಬೀಟಾ, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮಾನ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ONM ಏನ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, we can define tan alpha. Since alpha is also very small, we can approximate this to alpha, that is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Here NM is the opposite side and OM is the adjacent side. Thus we can say that OM is equal to OP ಅಂತ ತಗೊಬಹುದು, because M and P lies very closer to each other. Therefore I can write this as NM divided by OP. Let me call this as equation number 4. It is again from the right angle triangle INM. I will define tan beta, which is approximately equal to beta, because beta is very small, that is equal to opposite side. Opposite side is NM, adjacent side is IM. This is equal to NM divided by IP. Call this as equation number 5. Again, from the triangle CNM, define tan gamma. Since gamma is very small, we can approximate tan gamma is equal to gamma. This is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. Adjacent side is CM. This is equal to, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ CM ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು that is equal to CP ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಬಹುದು. ಅದೇ ತರ IM ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು IP ಅಂತ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. This is equal to NM divided by CP. Call this as equation number 6. Now ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕೋ equations ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗಿದೆ. Let us substitute equation 2 and equation 3 in equation 1. It is therefore substituting equation 2 and 3 in 1, we get ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, in place of I and R I will substitute these two, that is N1 into alpha plus gamma is equal to N2 into gamma minus beta. This implies that N1 into alpha andrenu, that is NM divided by OP, and gamma is NM divided by CP, is equal to N2 into gamma is NM divided by CP minus beta is NM divided by IP. This implies NM is equal to 1 by OP plus 1 by CP is equal to N2 into 1 divided by CP minus 1 divided by IP, because in these two terms NM is common, and also in these two terms NM is common. Those two cancels it each other. It is ಇವಾಗ OP CP ಮತ್ತೆ IP ನ ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಸೈನ್ ಕನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. We know that OP is equal to U and CP is equal to R and IP is equal to V ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಇವಾಗ that is N1 into 1 divided by OP. OP is the object distance that is measured in the direction opposite to the direction of incident ray ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ OP ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ minus U ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, plus 1 divided by CP is radius of curvature that is measured along the direction of incident ray, that is equal to N2 into 1 divided by CP is again R minus 1 divided by IP is the, here IP is the image distance, that is V, that is also measured in the direction of incident ray. Therefore we get N1 divided by minus U plus N1 divided by R. This is equal to N2 divided by R minus N2 divided by V. Let me take minus N2 by V to the left hand side and N1 by R to the right hand side. Therefore we get N2 by V minus N1 by U is equal to N2 by R minus N1 by R. Is we can write this expression as N2 by V minus N1 by U is equal to, ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು, N2 minus N1 by R ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಬಹುದು, because in these two terms 1 by R is common ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ. This is the required expression. ಇದನ್ನ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಕರ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ. It is if I consider the first medium to be the air medium, then it is equal to 1. First medium ನಾನು air medium ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ refractive index of air medium ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ 1 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ medium ನಾನು n ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ. Therefore this expressions become n divided by v minus 1 divided by u is equal to n minus 1 divided by r ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This is for air medium to other medium. That's it for this video, guys. It is I'm your teacher Mukund. If you like our efforts, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. I will meet you in the next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye.